A groundbreaking discovery in the fight against climate change has emerged from a lab in San Francisco's Golden Gate Park. Scientists at the California Academy of Sciences are leading the charge with a unique solution to save our precious coral reefs. Dr. Rebecca Albright, a renowned coral reef expert, has revealed her team's mission to create baby corals and combat the devastating decline of these vital ecosystems. Over the past 3 decades, more than half of the world's coral reefs have disappeared, with the majority of this loss occurring in the last 10 years. If we don't act now, Dr. Albright warns, up to 99% of remaining reefs could be lost by 2050. We're on a dangerous path, Dr. Albright told SFGate. The only way to recover is through growth and reproduction. The urgency of the situation stems from a process known as coral bleaching, a stress response triggered by rising ocean temperatures due to climate change. When the ocean gets too warm, corals expel their algae, turning white and eventually starving to death. This starvation occurs because corals rely on algae living inside their tissue for food, and in many coral habitats, alternative food sources are limited. When you picture a vibrant coral reef, you imagine clear waters, bright sunlight, and a beautiful, shallow environment. The clarity of the water is due to the lack of nutrients and life in the water column. Unfortunately, this also means that coral bleaching compromises their primary food supply, leading to starvation if the stressors aren't removed, Dr. Albright explained. Scientists are deeply concerned as these bleaching events are becoming more frequent and widespread. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, there have been 4 global coral bleaching events on record, with 2 occurring in the last decade alone. The most recent event, confirmed on April 15, 2024, is still ongoing and has impacted approximately 84% of the world's coral reefs as of August 31st. Affecting at least 83 countries and territories. Amidst this growing crisis, Dr. Albright's team at the Cal Academy's Steinhardt Aquarium has been studying how to help corals reproduce. In collaboration with the Roatan Marine Park in Honduras, researchers have planted over 3,000 baby corals. Dr. Albright believes that by utilizing the unique opportunity of having the deepest and second largest display of living coral reefs in the world, they can create more resilient coral offspring. Many of these baby corals will not survive, and that's part of the natural process. Corals produce a large number of offspring because they know that many will fall prey to predators, be overgrown, or simply not make it. The baby corals, now almost 3 months old, are still very tiny and difficult to see. However, Dr. Albright's team will travel to the reef next month to assess the survival rate of these young corals. While the West Coast may not have many coral reefs, with the closest ones mostly near Baja California, Dr. Albright emphasizes the critical importance of coral reefs to millions of people worldwide, even those living far from these ecosystems. Coral reefs are often out of sight, out of mind. People admire their beauty, but they don't always understand their significance beyond aesthetics. Coral reefs play a crucial role in providing coastal protection against floods, hurricanes, and storms, and they also offer economic benefits to fisheries and tourism. Dr. Albright believes the most effective solution is to protect them from further loss in the first place, as the impact will be felt worldwide, not just by those living nearby. It's not just about the people close to the reefs. The impact will be global. This innovative approach to coral regeneration offers a glimmer of hope in the fight against climate change and the preservation of our precious coral reefs.